What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video for you guys. Today I'm going to talk about an all-new application called QUIQFLIX. I don't know how you would pronounce that word, but I looked it up and they said it's a French word, a QUIQFLIX. Basically, like, you could say QUIQFLIX if you want, but it's a pretty much straightforward application. It's a new one that it has its own feel, own look to it. Like I said, it's new, so you may have bugs, but I have the bad news. Bad news is that this is really meant for Androidboxes and phones, but I tell you what, I got it to work with the Firestick. It's a little hard to maneuver, but if you have a mouse toggle or you have a Bluetooth remote that has a mouse to it, a keypad, like one of those keypad remotes that has a mouse to it, which iPazzPort does sell. I have the link down below, I believe, that shows you how to get it. It's real easy to do. But anyways, let's go into it and let's see how this app works. And also in the end, in the middle of the video, I will show you how you get into it and how you can download it. Pretty much, it's real easy to do on the midway of the video. But all right, so you see here, you guys, straightforward. It pulls up to the movies. Okay, honestly, I was looking at this and it kind of looks more as in, let me go up here. Excuse me. There you go. You have your movies, TV shows, and then your favorites, and then your settings. Okay, you can go into the settings and you see there, it got your, pretty much all your setup there. One thing I did notice, it is the new version, as you see here, is the version 1. So kind of tells you, oops, I almost clicked out of there completely. Kind of tells you straight off the bat, it's a straightforward app. And then it says here you can fund the developer or donate. Totally up to you. Go to movies. It's going to show you how the movies work. You have your genre up here. It's a little tricky to use, but if you have the Android box, it's pretty easy. You can scroll over, but if you have the Fire Stick and you're using a mouse toggle, it is a little tricky to maneuver, okay? But if you have one of those keypad remotes, you just click down and you just scroll right over it. You use like the left button mouse symbol, and it brings it over. But now, let's say you want to choose a genre. You hit this here, and then you go. You got your horror flick. So what you do, let's go into a movie, Overlord. You go into stream. And it's going to take a little bit to find your links. There you go, pulls it up. And all you do from this point is pretty much you click the link you want, as so. And then it pulls this up. And all you do is you click this button here. And it takes you straight into the movie. Okay? As you see, it clicks it and it takes you straight up to that movie. Okay? So you're going to click back out of this, back out of this. Explore, it's a pretty good app. You could... let me see if I could. Oops, I keep on hitting the wrong button here. Cancel out. You can scroll down. It has a pretty good sizable library for a new application. And like I said, it's going to have its glitches because it's a new app. This is actually totally different from Cyberflix, Morph TV, Dream TV, Titanium TV. It's a totally different look and feel. What's nice about this too, check this out. You could click year. You could pick the year that you want to actually watch. But like I said, this is a new application, so they're gonna have only limited. So don't get upset and like, oh, it doesn't have this. Well, it's something new. You know what I mean? You always want to try things. So let's say you want to watch a TV show. So you're gonna come down to your TV show section. Click that there. Okay. And let's say like The Simpsons, okay? You go into that, and what I did notice, it does have some anime in it, which I think is pretty cool. Honestly, it seems like every application that's coming out or been out is starting to bring out animation into their TV shows, which is a plus. Okay, so let's say you want to watch, all right, but yeah, Family Guy. All right, you see that little heart? You can save that, click that, turn that sucker red, and then you see how it says season? You click that, scroll down, and then you have your season. Okay? You have season 21, or you got the special season 1, And then to scroll over, like I said, this is not really Fire Stick compatible. You need a mouse toggle with a Bluetooth mouse pad, or a remote, an iPads remote that has the mouse toggle thing. It works really good. But this is actually meant for Android TVs and the phone. Okay, so it works better on there. So you see here, you have all your seasons. So let's say, for example, you want to see, let me see here, the newest season, right? Season 17. You go into it, and then you have your episodes here, okay? Episode 1, 2, and the list just goes on and on and on, okay? So let's say, let me see, right here, this one, season 12, or episode 12. You click it, give it a second, it's going to pull it up. Now, I did notice this. You see these question marks? I haven't tried it, but I believe those are just basically it can't find the stream. But let's give it a try. Oh, there we go. I just clicked it. And yeah, so what I mean, the question mark really just keeps on loading. So in other words, there is no, let me try to see if I can back out of there. There we go. See, it's a little tricky to maneuver on a Fire Stick. Like I said, it's best to, there we go. It's best used on Android boxes and phones. So we're gonna go down, see if we find a link. There we go. You see how it says 720? Click that. Give it a second to load up. Should load up. If not, no worries. We'll find another one. And like I said, it's a newer application, so they're gonna run into issues here. So we just back out of this. Keep going down the list. It looks like they didn't. This guy. It looks like can't find anything. Try this one here. See if that'll help. It looks like there you go. You find your bug. All right. It looks like it's having issues finding the Family Guy. Like I said, it's not my favorite at this moment. It has a lot of room to improve, and just explore it. Let me know what you think. I found, it was brought to my attention by Finder. He told me about it. I went to check it out. It's something new, something always, and it's gonna have its issues, as you've seen there. It does have its issues where your TV show. Now, you seen how I hit favorites? You're just gonna hit it. You see how it says favorite movies? I didn't save any movies, so we're gonna go to series, and there you go. Pulls it up. But out of 1 through 5, I rate this like maybe a 2.5. Reason why I say 2.5 is because it has a lot of room for improvement, but also I see that I like where they're going with this. Oops, let me hit cancel. I like where they're going with this. It has a different look, a different feel. It's pretty quick when you try to start a movie. Something to check out. You know what I mean? Doesn't hurt to try something new. I'm not saying let it be your favorite. I mean, you could try it. Maybe it'll grow on you. Maybe it'll have new updates. And it goes, it starts off. It's always somewhere. Somebody has to start somewhere, But anyways, like I said, this is only for our Android boxes and phone. You can use it on a Fire Stick, but I don't suggest it. You know what I mean? It's a real buggy on the Fire Sticks. Use it on your Android boxes and your Android phones. It works a lot better. Okay? Actually, I'm going to have this on my FileLink store. So what you got to do, let me exit out of this. We're going to exit there. Okay. And give it a second here. Roll over here. And here you go. So once you have FileLink, or if you have FileLink already, or if you don't have FileLink, I have links down below of how to get it, how to use it. Super easy to set up and use. What you're gonna do is do that, and once you get it, you're gonna download it, because I have the QUIQFLIX in my FileLink store. It's real easy to do. If you got it, you're ready to go. You're gonna go into it. Okay, you're gonna enter in. Let it load up. You're going to enter in my store's FileLink code, which is 64539676. Once you enter that in, you're going to hit continue. Give it a second here. And you're going to look for the application. Now the application is usually on the top here. Give it a second. Find it. Oh, I think I passed it. Yes, I did. Go all the way back up. There it goes. You see it right there? QUIQFLIX, movies and TV shows for Androidboxes and phones. What you're going to do is click that download button, okay? And you're going to download it. And once it turns to a play button, you're going to hit the play button, and then you're going to install it. Once you install it, it should say done or open, and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, okay? If you guys enjoyed the video, it's a quick one. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Also, check me out on Facebook, Telegram, and Twitter. All that information is down below on what you need to know, as in how to get into stuff. It's super easy to do, people. If any questions, please hit me up. And I am trying my best to reply back to emails, or emails and comments. So I'll be doing that as well. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great